Kafka in Polish means a small coffee. You may also be familiar with famous writer Franz Kafka. However, we are not going to talk about depressing novels today. In this video I'm going to tell you about Apache Kafka, what it is, who it's for, and how you can stream data from Kafka directly to MicroStrategy cubes. I will also show you a real example of this integration. Apache Kafka is an open-source distributed event streaming platform used by thousands of companies for high-performance data pipelines, streaming analytics, and data integration. When you hear keywords like data, analytics, you may wonder, can I connect MicroStrategy to Kafka as a data source? Can I build real-time or near real-time MicroStrategy applications based on it? The answer is yes, you can, and you will see how. On a simplified chart, a Kafka implementation consists of three main elements: Kafka server, Kafka producers, Kafka consumers. Kafka producer pushes messages to Kafka topic. Your producer can be a server collecting stock market movements. It can be 100 big diesel engines, each equipped with sensors, each pushing a message with readings of oil pressure and temperature every second. Kafka server processes the messages and pushes them further to all subscribed Kafka consumers. Now, we would like those messages to be pushed to MicroStrategy. We can't do that directly because currently there is no standard Kafka connector for MicroStrategy. Does that mean that we are at a dead end here? Not at all. Thanks to MicroStrategy's open architecture and library of REST APIs, we can use a middleman. Our middleman will be a small Python script with two modules: Kafka consumer module to receive and process messages, and MicroStrategy Mysterio module to push data to MicroStrategy cubes. And when the data is in the cube, you can use it for your beautiful visualizations. Let's see an example. My Kafka producer is a program that monitors server performance and a few times per second sends a message with data like CPU utilization and RAM usage. My Python script acts as a Kafka consumer. It treats each message as a row of data. It pushes data to a MicroStrategy cube in packages of 5 rows. Here's the script in action. The final stage of this whole data flow is MicroStrategy dossier built on top of the cube. The dossier is set to auto-refresh every 2 seconds. What's important here is that you can present a near real-time stream of singular values, and you can present data aggregated on the fly, like average CPU utilization from the last 20 messages. You can blend this real-time data with historical values, for example, to compare with last week data. You can also blend it with forecast or target data values to see if you are on track with your plan and raise an alarm if you are not. All of this in real time. Kafka nowadays is being used for real-time monitoring and alerting, data streaming, or logging events. It's being used even in the biggest financial, telecom, and manufacturing organizations in the world. Why would you like to stream data from Kafka directly to MicroStrategy? First, you may want to avoid all intermediate steps like databases, ETL processes, staging areas. Simplification of data processing means faster results and less chances for errors. Secondly, you may want to build real-time or near real-time dashboards to monitor the most vital processes within your organization. Thirdly, you may want to blend real-time data streamed from Kafka with data coming from your other data sources like databases with aggregated historical data or flat files with forecast data. MicroStrategy Analytics is a perfect platform to put it all together. Garçon, one more Kafka.